Hello everyone. Today in this video I will teach you how to turn off microphone on your iPhone. If you are worried about your privacy and you don't want apps to listen to you, then follow my steps. So first you need to open your settings from your iPhone, and from your settings menu you need to scroll down until you find this option called privacy and security. Tap here once, and from here you will see a bunch of options. You need to tap on this microphone option. Now as you can see, these are the apps, and these apps are currently using my microphone. As you can see, every option is enabled. So for example, if I don't want Instagram to listen to me, just you need to turn this off. Now do these steps for each application, each app. Now none of this app can listen to your voice.